What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a rodwave type beat on flstudiomobile. Enjoy this video, and I know it's been some time since I've been posting. I've been busy with some other things, and don't forget to subscribe. It all started with the loop. I got this from Rwanda. Yo. Make sure you check the link on description down below. By the way, shout out to Rwanda. Yo, thanks bro, this loop is fire. So since there was a bass, I decided to add the 808, and as you can see, it's banging. Thank you for people subscribing. Let's grow together. I see you there. See you. I will drop a drum kit soon, and I'll try to make my own melodies and loops, and